Welcome back to my channel, At Home with Carla. This is where I share my almost daily life with family, friends, my pets, and some DIY projects, and even some cooking. So thanks for following along, and let's get started. To start the morning out, I had my coffee buddy Boo Boo with me. Brought me up to the clinic for my first PT appointment. Now he's going to pick me up, and we're heading out. Today I am making veggie burgers for me and my husband, or my husband and I. And then I threw in some mushrooms and a couple little pieces of onion, and it was so good. And then I have a whole bunch more mushrooms that my husband chopped up the other day. I'm just going to throw them in the pan and make sure they're all cooked up, and then put a little bit of this pepper jack cheese on there, and yeah, tasted really good. My cousin texted me and asked if I wanted to go out to Klinger's today, and so I happily went with, and my brother went with. He drove and picked me up, and we went out there and seen all the fresh new greenery and garden stuff that's coming up for your gardens and flowers. It smelled like heaven in there. Later on, my daughter and her 2 kids came out, so that was quite a nice little surprise too.
What
is that?
It's flying.
Oh, it's an angel. Is that an angel?
You fly too.
Yeah.
I think it's you. I think it's you.
What do you think it is?
I think it's you.
Oh, wow. My other grandson didn't want to be on camera today, so I just followed Elijah around. He didn't mind.
Leave us.
Jesus. Jesus.
This is a book.
Stopped by to see some of my donated goldfish out there, and they're all doing really good. I think they recognized me too a little bit. Yep, I brought them out here so they have a bigger house. Well, I'll have to end here for today. Sorry about the short vlog, but I thought I would put something out than nothing. So, since my days are limited to activities and stuff, these are just some of my favorite pictures I took in the last month or two. And I hope you'll have a great day. God bless, and we'll talk to you later. And the quote of the day is,